Ah. Ah. Gana pag wala dire eh. Weird kayo. Alas 5. 5:08 PM na. Nag-leave sa ako mga kapinsan kay to be honest. Wala may klaro. Bitaw kay mao ni expectation nako nga ngani ang may tabo, ngani expectation nako. Kay similar lang siya sa kadtong grade 8 pa ko na grade 8 first year college, sorry. 2018 to be exact. Medyo similar lang gyapon siya sa karon. In a new twist, you know. Nag-leave ko kay basig mahadlok ko na basig maon ng microphone niya while nag-discuss na sa tuang diskusyonan. Pero this is kunan at all kasi you know na online class naman gyud ni, di ba? So title nako na School Time Screen Record. Wala pa tayo klase, orientation man daw. Problema ani mga kapinsan is grabe. Wala ko'y makaila pa sa karon. Dapat mag-meet sa personal kay dapat ano lang, balag sikreto lang ni siya. Nagingon na meet na ta sa personal. Pero 'di ba? Di pa ka sigurado sa reality of these moments. So, sa beginning ani nga kini mismo na screen recording, dito na nagtapos ang ako ang second category sa ako ang bakasyon. So, nag-start na gani ang mao na pinaka-official na ano. And matrack na siya unya. And that's gonna be fantastic. That's gonna be what should I do, diba? Pero gani ang kinahadlukan ako diri pag wala sa wifi. Tinuod na. Wala ko messenger. Ay no, pinobre. Sige daw, be. Try tag-intra dito. Oh. Wala may tingog. Bayang magiliw, person silanganan, alab ng puso. Sa lupang inirang, doon ka nang magiting. Sa manluluping, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa langit mong lugaw. May nilag ang tula at awit sa pagdaya minamang. Ang islap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pag may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng luwal at ipagsinta mo ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Naray mo kumita.
Kani? Pas. Karon na call? Sige, sige. Pwede. Nakamute akong mga classmate.
Kaya si mama, ang sama na eh.
Hala, wala ni magi. Wala balik ka sa gawang palengke call. Susi. Wala man siya nag-ingon nga susi.
No, may black day ka ba?
Hmm.
Hindi ka sunog. Uy,
First up, our school president of Samson Polytechnic College of Davao, Mr. Francisco M. Samson. Please help me also welcome our Vice President for Internal Affairs and our Registrar at the same time, Ma'am Ledwina Samson Cosico. Third is our Registrar of SPCD, Ma'am Flor Delisa P. Enriquez. Good afternoon, ma'am. Andyan po si Ma'am Flor. Kaway-kaway lang. She will be our registrar in SPCD. Okay, next up is we will meet our subject teachers, our subject instructors, our college faculty in first term, first semester in academic year 2021-2022. So students, since wala tayong face-to-face, so hopefully you will be familiarizing their faces, no, para mas madali po natin sila ma-approach after this orientation, and we know already our specific our subject, and then ato as silang bulaton for further instruction later, no? So let's start with our college themes.
Sir Barles.
Graduated at University of Mindanao, ABPSC major in Math, no, Bachelor of Arts, Master of Education, major in Math, also graduated at Ateneo de Davao University. Graduated also at Ateneo de Davao University, a Doctor of Education, major in Educational Management. Students, ladies and gentlemen, our college dean, Dr. Oscar Cervales. Next is our BSHM Hospitality Management Program Coordinator, at the same time our Assistant College Dean. Graduated at University of Southern Mindanao, BS Hotel and Restaurant Management. Ongoing his Masters at University of Mindanao, taking Business Administration. He will be also handling the following courses: International Cuisine, FOLA 2, Legal Aspects and Micro-Perspective of Tourism and Hospitality, Food and Beverage Operation, and Basic Baking. Students, our BSHM Program Coordinator, Assistant College Dean, Sir Gary Sanchez. Good afternoon, Sir Gary. Next is our Assistant Technical Director, at the same time our BS Tourism Program Coordinator, and she will be also handling the following courses: Competency Skill Appraisal 1, Entrepreneurship in Tourism and Hospitality, Medical and Wellness Tourism, and Quality Service Management in Tourism and Hospitality. Give up for our Assistant Technical Director and BSTM Program Coordinator, Ma'am Janet Cosico de la Fuente. Next up is our very own BSIT Program Coordinator, at the same time our IT instructor. Graduated at University of Immaculate Conception, graduated BS in Information Technology, taking his Masters on University of the Immaculate Conception, and he will be also handling the following courses: Intro to Computing, Application Development and Emerging Technology, E-commerce and Technology, and Object-Oriented Programming. Give it up for our BSIT Program Coordinator, Mr. Michelle B. Bolo. Good afternoon, Sir Michelle.
Good afternoon, Sir Gary. Ay, Ma'am Aya di ay. Sorry.
Okay. Next up is our very own BTVTED Program Head. Graduated in Political Science, BS Ed major in Filipino and Math, Master in Administration and Supervision. She will be handling the following courses: GE 10, EJOC 10, and EJOC 14. Students, our BTVTED Program Head, Ma'am Remedios L. Remis. Andyan ba si Ma'am Remis? Good afternoon, Ma'am. Next is our very own talented host or Master of Ceremony for this afternoon, our Research Coordinator, at the same time our NSTP Coordinator. Graduated in Our graduated political science minor in English, Master of Education earned units, graduated Master in Public Administration. He will be handling the following courses for this term: Results Life, Works and Writing, Purposive Communication. Students, please meet your teacher, our research coordinator, at the same time, NSTP coordinator, Sir Jerry Sorilia. Good, good afternoon, Sir Jerry. Si Sir Jerry, kumangutana mo yun yung MC natin ha ngayon. Okay, next up is our Office of Student Affairs Coordinator, at the same time, our Marketing Officer. Graduated BS in Agricultural Education, major in Animal Husbandry, minor in Agronomy. Earned units in MBA and graduated Masters of Theology. He is still ongoing for his doctoral. No? To handle the following courses: EDUC 2 and IC5. Students, please help me welcome our Office of Student Affairs Coordinator, at the same time our Marketing Officer, Mr. Casimiro P. Guyano III. Good afternoon, Sir Cas. Next is our BSBA Operations Management Instructor, graduated BS in Business Administration, major in Marketing, Master in Business Administration, ongoing at University of Mindanao, and he will be also handling the following courses: Competency Skill Appraisal 1, Special Topics in Operations Management, and Basic Microeconomics. Students, please help me welcome your BSBA OM instructor, Mr. Christopher Gora. Good afternoon, sir. Andyan ba si Mr. Gora? Next is also our BSBA instructor, graduated BS in Accountancy and Master in Business Administration at University of Mindanao. She also be handling the following courses: Fundamentals of Accounting 1, Environmental Management System, and the Entrepreneurial Mind. Students, help you welcome Ma'am Maricel Barbas. Good afternoon, ma'am. Nandyan pa si Ma'am Maricel. Okay, next is our one of also the instructor of Samson Polytechnic College of Davao, graduated Bachelor of Elementary and Secondary Education, Bachelor of Arts in English, Philosophy, Master in Theology, and graduated his doctoral in theology. So to handle the following courses, Sir Nino L. Cuestas will be your instructor for understanding the self and the child and adolescent learner and learning principles. Students, please help me welcome Dr. Nino L. Cuestas. Next is our teacher for PE1 or Movement Enhancement, graduated BS in Education, Masters of Art in Education, major in Administration and Supervision, Masters of Arts in Teaching Physical Education. Your PE1 instructor, please help me welcome Sir Rinaldo T. Algabre. Good afternoon, sir. Next is Ma'am Daisy in Concepcion. You will be also handling the following courses. Only one lang pala, no? Okay, she will be handling the following course: EDUC 9, or the Teacher and the Community, School Culture and Organizational Leadership with focus on the Philippine Tibet system. Our librarian, please help me welcome Ma'am Daisy and Concepcion. Good afternoon, Ma'am Daisy. Next is a graduate of BTTE or BTVET major in Automotive Technology and also a Automotive Servicing NC2 assessor. He will be handling the following courses: na automotive body repair and substance preparation. So this is for automotive BTVET. Internal combustion engine servicing, repair, maintenance, and AT occupational health and safety practices. Students, please help me welcome your instructor in BTVET Automotive, Sir Nino M. Arcaban. Good afternoon, Sir Nin. Next is also your BTVET major in Automotive instructor, a graduate of BTTA major in Automotive Technology. He will be handling the course 8311 or motorcycle and small engine servicing, repairing, and maintenance. Students, please help me welcome Sir Ernesto Palapan. Good afternoon, sir. Next also is our PTTA major in HVAC-R graduate. He will be also handling the following courses: mobile refrigeration and air conditioning, and also HVAC-R occupational health and safety practices. So all the PTVTED major in HVAC-R, that is heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigeration, you will be or he will be your teacher. Please help me welcome Mr. Aldren Bacat. Good afternoon, Sir Aldren. Next up is also a graduate of BTVTED major in HVAC also. He will be handling the following courses: instrumentation and control devices, and DOMRAC system service and maintenance. Students, please help me welcome Mr. Romer Amargo. Good afternoon, Sir Romer. Next, good afternoon, sir. Next is BTVTED Electrical Instructor, a graduate of BTVTED major in Electrical Technology. He will be handling the course 8211 or Signal and Communication System. Students, please help me welcome Mr. Eduardo Lozon. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, next is also a instructor of BTVTED major in electrical, a graduate of BTVTED major in electrical technology. He will be handling the course 8112, Fundamentals of Electricity. Please help me welcome Mr. Francisco Lictawa. Good afternoon, Sir Ben. Next is a graduate of BS in Computer Engineering at Adamson University, Master in Engineering, major in Electronics Communication Engineering at University of Mindanao. He will be handling the course BTVTED 8111 or that Occupational Health and Safety Practices. Students, please help me welcome Mr. Jose Gutierrez Jr. Good afternoon, Sir Joey. Hindi ako sanay na. Okay, thank you. And next is our BSIT instructor, a graduate of Information Technology. He will be handling the course Net 102 or Networking 2. Students, please help me welcome Sir Danmark Nuez. Good afternoon, Sir Dan. Andyan lang yan si Sir Dan. Next is also our BSIT instructor, a graduate of Information Technology. He will be handling the following courses: data structures and algorithms and information management. Please help me welcome Mama Diane Chris Ardipolia. Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, so next is electrical technology BTVTED instructor. He will be handling the following courses: ET311, Logic Circuit Controller, and ET312, Industrial Electronics Circuits and Devices. Please help me welcome Mr. Constantino Panes. Okay, sorry kung wala siya teacher, no? Makikita lang natin siya during our class, ha? Okay, next is truly yours. I am handling the following courses: Competency Skills Appraisal 1, Risk Management as applied to Safety, Security, and Sanitation, and also Food, Styling, and Design. So students, that will be your instructors for the rest of your subject in this school year. First semester, first term 2021-2022. I am hoping, students, that you will treat your teachers as well as your school personnel with utmost respect and dignity, because they will take care and guide all of us while we spend our education here in Samson Polytechnic College of Davao. So guys, now since you know and you meet already your beloved instructors, you can free to ask and message them for your subject instructions, or you might wait for the instructions of your subject professors for the GCs and other social media to connect with your instructors. So before I end my presentation, I will let you uh, hear these words, that college is the best place to enjoy life happily. Nothing else can beat that. So we will be enjoying it, friends, despite of COVID-19, because education cannot wait. Learning never stops. Thank you so much, freshmen, continuing students, seniors, teachers who are attending this Zoom class or Zoom meeting for this afternoon. Stay safe and thank you. Bye bye. Back to you, Sir Jerry.
Thank you so much. That was Ma'am Aya Lasola. So, Ma'am Aya actually is the epitome of wit and talent. Nakita niyo naman, sampulan mo. Very good in hosting, not to mention, ang sabi ko ng Aya, bilang outstanding teacher. Okay, so we do hope that after this orientation, you will discover your students over the next days of your stay in Samson that you have entered a lively, challenging, and grand community. And this is Samson Polytechnic College of Davao community. And to our parents, we do hope that our parents are also witnessing our orientation this afternoon. We look forward to getting to know the exceptional young people you have raised, and we in Samson will help provide a rich array of opportunities for them to grow, to discover who they are and how they want to make a difference in the world. And those people that Aya had mentioned a while ago are those people who will be really talking about your aspirations and learning interests in Samson. Okay, I am here at this point to a few introductory words about the heart of Samson Polytechnic College of Davao experience, the intellectual adventure you are about to undertake. So this time, as part of the orientation program, we will start with a brief history and mission of Samson. So bilang mga Samsonian, dapat alam natin ang pinagmulan ng community we are entering. So this is it, the brief history of Samson Polytechnic College of Davao. Samson Polytechnic College of Davao started as Samson Vocational Academy way back June 15, 1960. It was registered and approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission set on April 17, 1962, which was released on June 27, the day of birth of one of its founders, Mrs. Consuelo M. Samson. With its limited resources during that time, during its school opening in June 1960, it offered culinary arts, dressmaking, hair culture, and embroidery with a total of 18 students under one instructress. Since then, Samson Vocational Academy expanded its various courses in advanced dressmaking, master tailoring, typewriting, stenography and bookkeeping, photography, automotive diesel mechanics, refrigeration and air conditioning, electric and acetylene welding, generator and motor rewinding. Later, it offered courses in electronic servicing in radio and television, which started in 1973. After the release of government's recognition of the technical courses in 1974, the school was renamed as Samson Technical Institute Incorporated. Mr. Faustino A. Samson acted as the director and president, while Mrs. Consuelo M. Samson was the vice president and treasurer of the school. Registration of the change of name with the SEC was in 1974. Additional courses in broadcast technician, radio telephony, and radio telegraphy were offered but later were merged as a course in general radio communication operator. Samson Technical Institute Incorporated has a total of 16 government-recognized TESDA Ultras registered courses as one of the present time. But welcome, high school graduates to enroll in any of these courses. In 1993, it opened the Sunday high school program known as SGI Saturday Secondary Education Weekend Program or SEWP. To help others and working students to finish high school from its humble beginning, the Institute has progressively produced graduates who have successfully found their way in the workforce locally and abroad, or have established their own business undertakings through the skills they have learned, honed, developed, and mastered. Samsung Technical Institute Incorporated had already celebrated its 50th golden anniversary. This is a school in the field of technical education has realized its goal to provide higher learning education to cater to the educational needs of more youth and other individuals who wish to pave their way to a more promising career path. On May 15, 2010, the board had decided to amend its articles of incorporation and its bylaws, which have been approved thereafter by the Securities and Exchange Commission, to change the name of the school to Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao Incorporated. The name was changed to reflect a new and enhanced educational institution with deeper sense of commitment to deliver quality education with dynamism and versatility to our future graduates, with a technology-savvy generation and beyond. At present, Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao Incorporated operates 4 degree programs with government recognition from the Commission on Higher Education, namely Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. At the start of school year 2014-2015, the school offered an additional degree program, which is Bachelor's Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, formerly known as BTTE, with the following majors: Automotive Technology, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technology, Electrical Technology, and Student and Service Management. This course prepares teachers in technical vocational education with strong theoretical understanding and mixing technology with practical exposure in the industry. As an educational institution, Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao was established for the training of skilled craftsmen and professionals who will be deployed in different industries, both here and abroad. Our mission is to produce graduates with an excellent aptitude who can meet the demands of the industry with broader perspective. Our dear students, our vision in Samsung Polytechnic, or the vision of Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao, a holistically developed and technologically equipped institution ready to serve God, country, and humanity. The mission of Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao: we commit ourselves by providing varied quality educational services and training programs to foster holistic competencies and technical vocational skills among persons, developing technicians and professionals equipped with multiple competencies and positive work attitudes through diverse and quality formative programs, upholding the total development of person through quality instruction, services, and relevant transformative programs, strengthening its competitiveness through an institutionalized partnership and linkages with the industries, and initiating innovative activities to harness sincerity, adaptability, modesty, service, orderliness, and nationalism. The goals of Samsung Polytechnic College of Davao to attain its mission, it aims to produce professionals and skilled middle-level manpower who are globally competitive, provide quality education through continuous upgrading of programs and learning activities, provide the individuals with the knowledge skills and attitudes required by the industry. Develop God-given talents and skills of the individuals and prepare them to become responsible Filipino citizens. Train individuals to become nationalistic, conversant, and aware of the relevant issues in today's society. Undertake extension programs that facilitate the transfer of technology and promote self-reliance among the marginal and less privileged members of society. Protect and preserve the environment. Establish partnership and linkages that will promote the alignment of the local, national, and international development goals. Conduct research to support instruction. Discover new ideas and uplift the quality of life of the community. Lastly, the core values of Samson Polytechnic College are followed. S for sincerity, A for adaptability, M for modesty, S for service, O for orderliness, and N for nationalism. That was the mission, vision, goals, and core values of Samson Polytechnic College Calao, along with its great history. And to explore more on our academic programs and objectives, please welcome back our very energetic and very active academic assistant, college dean at the same time your BS Kitchen coordinator. Please welcome back to explore more about academic programs and objectives. Welcome back, Sir Gary Sanchez.
Oh, wait lang, sir. Okay. So, as mentioned by Sir Jerry, we do have here 5 degree programs. So, tonight I'll be presenting to you what are those 5 degree programs. And I hope, especially to our freshman students, that you are already decided with your course. So, these are the academic program and objectives. So for Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management, the program equips the students with the concept, principles, theories of operations management. This will prepare you as a student in organizing and managing activities in manufacturing and service-related businesses, and developing in the students' competencies and skills as entrepreneurs and managers in the future. It will prepare the student to pursue a teaching career as well, or you could proceed also with the graduate studies in business, like in business administration or in management. So these are the following profession that you could lean or have in the future. You could work as a management trainee in operations and production, operations management assistant, technical staff, work as a warehouse assistant, inventory assistant, project assistant, logistic management personnel, stock personnel, and you could be an entrepreneur or businessman. For Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, it will prepare students to be IT professionals, be well versed on application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, and familiar with the hardware installation, operation, and maintenance. So the specific professions include application developer, database administrator, entrepreneur in IT industry, information security administrator, IT instructor. You could work also as a network administrator, network engineer, system analyst, technical support specialist, test engineer, web administrator or webmaster, and a web developer. For Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, So this program will equip students with competencies related to the basic and core requirement, as well as those associated with major and minor areas of concentration and elective courses. For HM or HRM graduates, you could work as hotel and restaurant attendant. You could be an commis, a food and beverage attendant, a bartender, housekeeper attendant, a front office agent. You could also proceed to managerial position, a supervisory position like a banquet supervisor, a front office supervisor, or a housekeeping supervisor, a head waiter, and assistant cook. So you just not to worry because it is not only covered to the hotel and restaurant industry or establishment, but also you could work in a cruise line and airline industry as well. For tourism management graduate, you could work as a travel account representative, a tour coordinator, a local tourism officer, an airline flight attendant, a tour escort, a staff of the Department of Tourism and other tourism-oriented institution. You could be an owner of a tourism enterprise and a tourism consultant and advisor. For Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teachers Education, so this program aims to develop higher competent and motivated teachers in technical and vocational education in their areas of specification. It shall impart a body of knowledge, skills, attitude, values, and experience that will provide prospective grade 9 to 10 TLE teachers, senior high school teacher for the textbook livelihood track, Tibet trainers or instructor, and faculty members in the higher education institution with the necessary competencies essential for effective teaching. After graduation, you could also be working as a teacher. All competencies of all academic requirements of the program graduate of the BDPTED should be able to practice teaching profession in the field of specification, serve as Tibet trainer and assessor, or proceed to practice career in various sectors of industry as entrepreneur or as employee. So as an advice to every student, I hope you do have your goal after you graduate for these 4-year degree courses and that you could be successful in the future. Thank you and good evening again.
Okay, so thank you once again. That was our assistant dean of the college department and at the same time the BSHM program coordinator. So you've been acquainting with Sir Gary since the time that you enrolled in Samsung Polytechnic College. At the same time, I know that you have an acquaintances with the rest of other teachers and administrators. Okay, so sabi nga ni Sir Gary, we are here in Samsung Polytechnic College of Tanan, specifically the college department, to lead you out and your students and to raise you up and into your preparation for the unknown of the future. Because preparing for a job is very important. And you will be getting a lot of plenty of support from your college instructors and your college administrators. Okay, so let us vary for your academic programs and objectives. Now this time, I will be introducing to you another prime mover of the college department when it comes to your academic records. So to discuss our academic regulation, please welcome our registrar to Ma'am Flor Melissa Enriquez. Ma'am Flor.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Sir Jerry. Good afternoon to our college dean. Andiyan po si Sir Wallace. Sir Gary, good afternoon, and to all our program coordinators, our instructors, and of course, our dear students. To our freshmen and our transferees, welcome to Samson. And I will be discussing to you the academic regulations. And first, I will be discussing the general admission requirements. Now, upon enrollment, ano ba ang dinala ninyo dito? Your records from high school. Who will be admitted to to Samson Polytechnic College. First, pwedeng ma-admit natin dito is our senior high school graduates. Second, the alternative learning system graduates, the ALS graduates, and even the graduates from the old curriculum, meaning the high school graduates from 2015 below. Pwede natin sila i-admit. But we have some provisions, we have some additional subjects, and we have some tinatawag namin na bridging subjects for the ALS graduate and for the old curriculum graduates, yung high school graduate natin. So for freshmen, ano ang kailangan ninyo dalhin? What are your requirements, documentary requirements for you to be officially enrolled? So we have number one, you have to submit your Form 138 or your card, your report card from your senior high school, and then your good moral certificate, and then your birth certificate, it must be PSA certified, or okay na rin yung kung nakakuha kayo before, yung NSO, okay na rin yun. And then your Form 137 from your senior high school, we will be giving you request for Form 137 para mabigay ninyo doon sa senior high school ninyo para mabigay yung Form 137. Okay? For our transferees naman, if you are pag nag-college na kayo sa ibang school or nag-TVET kayo sa ibang school, you need to submit your certificate of honorable dismissal. Anyways, all of these documents, kailangan original ang ipasa dito. Hindi pwede photocopy. We will accept photocopy for reference purposes only. But we need your original for you to be officially recorded na siya, na ilagay natin doon sa 201 file. And then, so, back tayo doon sa, if you are a transferee, you need to submit your honorable dismissal, transcript of records. Pag nag-honorable dismissal kayo, you have 2 copies of transcript of records. Isa is yung for evaluation purposes, and then isa naman yung official transcript of records talaga. Yung meron ng remarks doon na copy good for Samson Polytechnic College. And then you also have to submit your good moral certificate and your PSA or NSO certified birth certificate. Yan lahat is original copy dapat. And for us graduate naman, you have to submit your certificate of rating and your diploma. All CTC copy lang siya ha, certified true copy for your certificate of rating and diploma, and then of course your birth certificate na original copy. Okay, nakuha natin. We have to take note of that. Ulitin